Welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to look at yet another product. It is a counter compost bin. Everyone's eco-friendly these days, everyone's sustainable, eco-friendly, recyclable, bamboo-based sort of products. No more plastic, no more what they call it, BPA stuff. So today's product is a counter compost bin. This is something I would say to you is whatever product you get involved in, oh, by the way, this is the product here. Whatever product you get involved in, try to think, how often is this product used? Is it used every day, every second day, every third day? And the reason I say that is people want to jump on skiing products. And I tell you what, skiing is great. I love to go to Jindabyne. I love skiing. I love the snow, but my father hates it. My sisters hate skiing. There's only a small percentage of the market that would actually buy anything ski related. Whereas kitchen products, everyone has a kitchen. If you have a product that fits on a fridge, everyone has a fridge in the Western world, in the whole in America and UK and Australia and New Zealand. Everyone's got, in the house, everyone's got a fridge, right? But only a small percentage of people like skiing. So what I'm going to say is, whatever product you jump on, think, okay, how often is it used? And am I going for a broad market or am I going for a very niched market? And this particular product, anyone who has a kitchen could potentially buy this product. More people are recycling, more people are composting, and it could be a product that you could be interested in. So let's just run the numbers on this product, right? Numbers look good, right? Let's have a look at the revenue here. It's insane in the revenue. Let me just refresh this, right? Again, base all your decisions always on data, okay? Make sure that you're making decisions on data. I mean, if you like, let's have a look here. Look at these figures, right? Look at this revenue. It's nuts what they're doing here. It's revenue rise, right? Always base the decisions on actual data. Like if you like knitting or crochet knitting, let me tell you, not many people are going to be buying your product on Amazon because the population aren't shopping on Amazon, right? The elderly or the mature or Australia's finest generation, they're not going on Amazon buying the product. They're going to shopping malls, right? So don't try and sell to that older, more mature market. Think, if always based on numbers, always look at Amazon and go, all right, let's run the numbers, let's use the software, run the numbers, make sure it's making money, and then let's start tracking it and then decide later on whether or not you're jumping on that particular product, all right? So that's it. That was a short video. I just wanted to send this out there. This is something that is emerging. It's something that is a trending product. It's something that's coming up there. And it's such a simple product. It's a bin. It's a small little bin this big that sits on your composting. I mean, I juice a lot, so this thing will last 10 minutes of me, but I'll be emptying it every single day. But if you love composting and you don't, and if you want to sort of, get involved in something that actually helps the environment, which is a bloody great thing to do, have a look at this product, start tracking it. Obviously do your own research, base it on numbers, do a small test, 20 units, 30 units, 40 units, that sort of thing, and get started today. Essentially, that's it. Get started today. So don't forget, join me for the Monday 7 p.m. training. I'm there personally answering any question you got, and I look forward to helping you. Monday 7 p.m. Sydney time, which is where we're based right now. We're in Sydney, right? So 7 p.m. Sydney time, I will see you there, and I look forward to helping you. All right. Bye for now. Have a great day. See you later. Hey, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you want me as your business partner, listen up. I'm willing to invest in your Amazon business. I'm willing to invest in your products. I'm willing to invest in your marketing. I'm willing to invest in you, in helping you scale your Amazon business. If you currently have an Amazon business and you're looking to generate more sales from your Amazon business, I would like to partner up with you and essentially become a business partner, helping you scale your business even more. Once you have your Amazon business up and running and you're looking to potentially sell your Amazon business and cash out 12 months, maybe 24 months down the line, I'll even help you sell your Amazon business. I'm looking for new deals all the time. I'm looking for new business partners all the time. So if you are looking for a business partner in your Amazon business who knows what they're doing, who has the experience, their expertise, and the team behind them to help you scale your business and generate more sales, then look no further. I would love to partner with you. Speak to one of our team members today to get something started. I've helped countless students get started from scratch. I've helped them find their products, find their niches, find reputable suppliers, find the best products, negotiate the best deals. And I like to help you with scaling your Amazon business. We've helped countless people around the globe to build their Amazon business essentially from scratch, regardless of their age, experience, income, and even technical experience. So if you are looking to sell on Amazon and you're looking for a business partner who has a great team behind them to help them find new products, scale, source new products, new suppliers, and scale up their brand, speak to one of our team members today, have a chat with them, and I would love to work with you personally, one-on-one, to help you scale and grow your Amazon business even more. All right, take care, speak to our team today, and let's get this started.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. So another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, you know, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, yeah, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, and I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for,
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable. I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.